Today, Chef Corey will be showing us how to make Middle Eastern steak and rice pilaf. This balanced meal contains roasted veggies and pan-seared steak, which pairs perfectly with a homemade creamy and cucumbery tzatziki sauce. We'll first start by gathering our ingredients. You will need 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, about 2 tablespoons of chicken stock concentrate, 1 cup of rice, 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. We've mixed it in a bowl, and about ½ an ounce of sliced almonds. For our produce, we have 1 cucumber, 1 zucchini, 6 ounces of carrots, and 1 lemon. And for our protein, we have 9 ounces of Middle Eastern steak. Before we get started, make sure you wash all your produce and that you preheat your oven to 450 degrees. First, take time to trim and peel your carrots before cutting them diagonally into ½ an inch thick pieces. Afterwards, move on to the zucchini. Trim and half them lengthwise and into half moons, about ½ an inch each. Toss your carrots and zucchini on a baking sheet with a large drizzle of olive oil. Now season them with pepper, salt, and paprika. Now open your oven and roast on top rack until browned and tender. This will take around 18 minutes. Meanwhile, you can start to heat up another drizzle of olive oil in a small pot over medium-high heat. Take time to mince your garlic very finely and quarter your lemon. Reserve a pinch of garlic. You'll be using it in the tzatziki sauce later. Now add the remaining garlic to the pot. Cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Stir in the rice, 3/4 cup of water, the chicken stock concentrate, and a big pinch of salt. Bring to a boil and then cover and reduce to a low simmer. It'll take about 15 to 18 minutes until the rice is nice and tender. While the rice is cooking, grab your cucumber and grate it into fine strings. In a small bowl, combine the yogurt, sour cream, and half the cucumber to taste. You can add more if you need to. Juice the 1 lemon wedge and add a big pinch of salt. Stir in the reserved garlic if you desire. Stir into a creamy sauce. Now to season the steak with salt and pepper. Heat a big drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the steak and cook until browned on the first side, about 4 to 7 minutes. Now flip it, reduce the heat to medium, and cook until browned and cooked on the other side, typically 4 to 7 minutes more. Now transfer it to a cutting board. Slice the steak against the grain. Look how tender that is. Spoon the rice onto your plate, arrange the steak next to it, add a lemon wedge for extra flavor, some cucumber if you desire, sprinkle your chili flakes, your sliced almonds, and pour on your tzatziki sauce. And don't forget your roasted veggies. There you have it, Middle Eastern steak and rice pilaf. Enjoy!